Big day today. Got an RV, a full detail for sure. And then another full detail if we can make it in time, but we'll see if we can get it done in time, because those RVs really take you out, man, take your energy out. So we'll see. Where's that company shirt, boy? Where's that company shirt? What the heck?
Give me one.
They gonna have to pay me for advertisement. Oh my gosh. That was the first time.
Put something?
Yeah, my bottle. I almost broke my foot. Just got the RV done. 32 feet, washed and waxed it, washed the roof. Cleaned her Aviator Lincoln. Went and grabbed a bite to eat. Got paid for that job. On the way to another full detail. It's me and Reggie, so we should be able to get that done about 1.5 hours. It's usually about 3 hours for a full detail for this particular package for me by myself. So with both of us, we should be able to get it done in 1.5, at the most 2 hours inside and out, and that'll be a day. Then tomorrow we got a diamond detail, which is our most in-depth detail, full detail, includes a one-stage polish, as new as possible type of detail, and possibly a couple interior maintenances as well. So we're just gonna keep the schedule busy. So far, today's looking good. Just got done grabbing a bite to eat and heading to our next detail. From the RV, splashed on my car. Dang, man, looks like birds just took a dump all over my car. All right, let's check this out. All right, we're gonna be able to knock this out.
Can't believe I inspired y'all.
You what?
That first video. The first video I made.
Yeah, I'm gonna post this one.
No, I need to start doing that too, bro. Because the way I was doing it was kind of getting, I was getting tired, bro. I was getting tired of it, and then it just.
It's hard, bro.
Not only that, but it just filled up my phone, and I was like,
It's hard,
I don't
yeah.
have space that I'm like.
It's hard to be consistent with it too.
But it was good. like, it never blew up like this.
I think I got more soap in mine though. Yeah.
Did you spray it?
What?
Did you spray this?
Yeah.
Now what I was saying is, I think I'm getting the steps down.
Yeah.
Like the first. Well, not thing, but I know I'm getting.
How's it going? Oh yeah, we're starting the outside right now.
Like I say, you need anything? Give me a holler.
All right, sure will. Thank you.
You need a drink or anything?
I might in a little bit.
Okay, just
I'm running out of lemonade.
we got sodas, beers, whatever.
Okay, appreciate it. I quit drinking.
Huh?
I quit drinking. I'm not drinking. He just offered me a beer.
I'll tell you. What kind of beer?
Last time I took it, remember? And you was like, nah.
Well, it's because I didn't feel like it. I still don't feel like it.
Yeah, it's nah. I thought about doing that over here too, because look at this. This is bad. You know what I'm saying? But with my machine, I could probably get this done with like that's gonna take them forever. But with my machine, I could probably do this in like 45 minutes. Yeah, and that big old surface cleaner. And mine that's only like, looks like a 2 gallon per minute, 2.5 gallon per minute. Mine's a lot bigger than that. Looking good though. Two hours, full detail.
I'm saying we should do that when he comes out. Yo, you got a nice car, yo. Yo, look at this.